Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful looking lace stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, cardigan, ladies shawl, scarf, and you can also use this in your baby sweater. This is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 16 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 14 plus 14 plus 2 extra stitch. We don't have separate 2 edge stitch for this pattern, so you will need to cast in multiples of 14 and plus 10 extra stitch. Right, so let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 24 stitches on my needle, which is 14 plus 8 extra stitch. I have only one repeat, which is 14 plus 8 extra stitch 22 and 2 edge stitch 24. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. We have done our row 2, so row 1, now row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, knit 8 first, and then you will start the repeat pattern. 1, we're gonna count this edge stitch as knit 1. So 1, we don't have edge stitch for this pattern, so we're gonna count this edge stitch as knit 1 knit stitch. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We have done 8 knit stitch here, and after this 8 stitch we're gonna start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. For repeat pattern you're gonna do yarn over purl wise, yarn in front first, yarn over purl wise, and then purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over purl 6, and then knit 2 together and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat from 2, 4, 6, 8. From here to here, after this 8 stitch from here to here, this is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. So for repeat pattern we have done yarn over purl wise, and then purl a 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 2 together and knit 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the repeat pattern, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 2 stitch, knit 2. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, before you start the repeat pattern, first knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Knit N. Now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, knit twice, knit two together, the repeat pattern starts from here. For repeat pattern, we're going to do yarn over, knit two together 4 times, yarn over, knit two together 1, yarn over, knit two together 2, yarn over, knit two together 3, yarn over, knit two together 4 times, and then knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's the repeat from 2, 4, 6, 8. From here to here, this is the repeat pattern. This is the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern, we have done yarn over, knit two together 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 6. 2, 4, 6. And after you finish all repeats, for the last 2 stitches, knit 2. Row 6, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 7, for row 7, knit edge row 3. So knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit 8 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, purl 6, and in front yarn over, purl wise, yarn over, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, purl 6, knit two together and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's the repeat from here to here. After this 8 stitches, for repeat pattern we have done. For repeat pattern we have done yarn over, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, and knit two together, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, and your last 2 stitches, knit 2. Row 8, for row 8, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 9, for row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 11. Now from row 11, we're going to alternate these stitches. We're going to knit this stitch here and this stitch here this time, right? We're going to knit this stitch here, and this stitch here. So row 11, your edge stitch slip, your first stitch slip, and then SSK, SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, and then purl 6 before you start the repeat. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have done here before repeat pattern. First stitch SSK, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, and now start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Yarn over knit 6, yarn over knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then SSK, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's the repeat from here to here. After this 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches from here to here, this is the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern we have done yarn over knit 6, 2, 4, 6, SSK, and purl 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern, and after you finish your all repeats, for a last one stitch, yarn over and knit 1. Row 12, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 13, your first stitch slip and SSK, SSK, and then yarn over SSK 3 times, yarn over SSK 1, yarn over SSK 2, yarn over SSK 3. Your first is slip 1 SSK and then yarn over SSK 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and start the repeat from here. After this 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches for your repeat pattern, yarn over knit 6, yarn over knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, SSK, and then yarn over SSK 3 times, yarn over SSK 1, yarn over SSK 2, yarn over SSK 3 times, and then that's the repeat from here to here. For here to here, for repeat pattern we have done yarn over knit 6, 2, 4, 6, SSK, and then yarn over SSK 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and your last one stitch, yarn over knit 1. Row 14, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 15, for row 15 knit as your row 11. So your first stitch slip and then SSK, SSK, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. After this 8 stitches, we are going to start the repeat pattern. So here we have done first stitch SSK, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, and after this we are going to start the repeat pattern from here for repeat pattern, and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Yarn over SSK, yarn over knit 6, yarn over knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over knit 6, SSK, and purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, After this 8 stitch, 2 4 6 8. For repeat pattern, we have done yarn over knit 6 2 4 6, SSK and purl 6 2 4 6, and your last stitch yarn over knit 1. Row 16, last row, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 16 rows, row 1 to row 16, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.